Remember, the first intrusion was attempted on the night of 29/30th. Now we've had reports of a second one that was attempted on Monday night. Both have been repelled, and the Indian forces are now aggressively retaliating in some parts, is what India today has learned. But what exactly is the situation on the ground, and why is the area south of Pangong Tso Lake in eastern Ladakh now turning out to be so critical for both the armies? Remember, in a sense, they are in an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation of a kind that we haven't seen in several decades. This is clearly no ordinary border intrusion. What exactly is happening on the ground? It's our top story tonight.
The line of actual control is on the boil. Tension is rising, but this time it's China that's on the back foot. India has the Chinese on the defensive after preemptive action following intelligence reports and inputs about Beijing planning another intrusion. The army mobilized the Special Operations Unit to join Jawans of the Sikh Light Infantry and elite troops of the Vikas Regiment who were already deployed near the southern bank of the Pangong Tso. Anti-tank guided missiles have also now been positioned to neutralize any Chinese armor advance. On the night intervening August 29 and 30, about 200 PLA troops tried to occupy the strategic heights of Kala Top. This would have given the Chinese an upper hand in confrontation even on the south bank of Pangong Tso. But the Chinese were unaware that Indian troops were lying in wait. Challenged by the Indian army, the Chinese troops beat a hasty retreat. In another swift maneuver, Indian troops then occupied the dominating features.
The Chinese provocative military movements were preempted by the Indian army by occupying certain heights and preventing the PLA from establishing a foothold on the southern bank of Pangong Tso, which has led now to the Chinese allegations against the Indian armed forces that they have transgressed the LAC.
Black Top is one of the most important peaks in this area, because from here, the entire Pangong Tso region can be monitored. After reclaiming Black Top, Indian troops removed the Chinese surveillance cameras and equipment installed here by the Chinese.
With the Indian army dominating crucial mountains in the southern bank of the Pangong Lake, it is believed that India will be in a better position to negotiate with the Chinese, because controlling heights is extremely important when it comes to tactics. Also, in New Delhi, there have been a series of meetings in the security establishment to decide what the future course of action is going to be, and particularly how to negotiate with a stubborn Chinese PLA from here onwards. With Manjeet Negi and camera person Hitesh Abhishek Bhalla in New Delhi for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.